Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast, and we will see multiple solutions together that we can apply to keep the battery of our phone in a good shape. So the first thing that we should do is to identify what is using the battery of your iPhone, and to do that you have to go to settings, and after that go to battery and wait for the phone to tell you. As you can see here, those are the apps that using most of my battery. So here, if you see that yellow notification, that means that this app is using like a lot of energy from your battery. So if you find any app that you are not really using on your phone and that battery is consuming your this application is consuming your battery, you have just to delete it from your phone. And another like things that you can do is to restrict the apps that causing the drain. And to do that you have like disable any unnecessary background app refresh, or like I will show you how. We go to the app, and for example I will go to WhatsApp, and as you can see there is that background app refresh. If you find it activated, you have just to deactivate it. But for me, I'm deactivating this option for all the application on my phone, but you can cancel it application by application. Also, if you are giving like location access to any application, try to put it only to while using the app, not always, because always will consume your battery, because the application will keep tracking your like location. And you have also to turn off any unnecessary notifications, so you have to go to notifications. For example, for me, I'm turning them all off, but you can turn off any unnecessary notification, like, because also notifications consume battery. Another thing that we can do is to go and go to battery again and activate the low power mode. The low power mode will try to limit the consumption of your battery as much as it can. So it will try to limit all the background refresh. Also, it will try to limit all like the animation on your screen and things like that. Also, another thing that you can do, you can just reduce or lower the brightness of your screen and enable like auto brightness. So to do that, you have to go to display and the brightness and turn on always the auto tune, because the auto tune, it will adjust the brightness of your screen depending on the place and the light condition around you. So it's good because it's like it will help you to reduce the use of your battery. Another thing that you can do is to go and try to turn off 5G if you are using 5G, or if 5G is activated on your phone. But at the same time, you don't need 5G because 4G itself is so fast, like as internet. And to do that, you have to go to cellular data, and like look here what SIM card you are using. And after that, you can go to your SIM card that you are using, go to voice and data and choose 4G. If you don't need the 5G, because like I told you, 5G technology is still using a lot of energy from your battery. So if you don't need it, just keep the 4G and it will like work already so fast for you. Another thing is you have to look if there is any update for your phone, any software update, because sometimes in some updates from iPhone there will be some like options or some errors that will drain your battery. So that's why you have to keep updating your iPhone always to try to protect it and to correct any mistake that can happen with any like update from like Apple, from like iOS updates. And also the last and another important thing is to check the health of your battery. So as you can see here, for me the battery health is normal. You have to check it, because if the battery health tells you that like you have to see like service, or it will tell you that the battery health is bad or the battery need replacement, here you have to go and change your battery, because after some time the battery became old, and with charging the battery and getting the battery empty every day, and like everything that we are using nowadays, it will be old and it will not work properly. So that's why for iPhones, maybe after 2 to 3 years you have to change your battery, depending on your charging habit and how you use your phone. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.